So, 2018 Escape, another totaled one, and I didn't do it. I'm going to show you how to take the taillight out. Pretty easy. You got two doors. 1, 2. 8 mils. And then, with something that will not scratch your car, go right between the two. Right between the two. Now, can you do it with one arm? Probably. But it's easier with two? Definitely. So you got this little rubber too. You have to stay under. But let's pull it out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so there you go. And the GPS is definitely not back here. I actually found it. It's in my bag somewhere. So, pin here, pin there, and a guide. And that's what you're up against. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.